Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your best friend Crystal J, and I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm teaching you how to make a GIF. You know, my channel's a little bit different. I teach you how to make branding things on top of branding things. I teach you how to sew. I show you. My channel's a little bit of everything. But let's get right into it. So y'all know I'm in the middle of a relaunch, and I'm all about branding. So my font for all my stuff is Lato. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's Lato. And then my logo font is Photograph Signature. So you download this, which I already downloaded this part, you guys. So I'm making a GIF. So I'm gonna go into this panel right here. I want to work on a thank you. Now I need the U to disappear. That's it. Keeping the thank you right there. I want it to be a seamless. I want it to be a seamless thing, but I'm gonna be back in the center. I'm gonna download that. So now I'm about to undo everything I did. I'm about to delete the www.amorallure.com. I'm going to make sure that this is centered. I'm very big on my stuff being centered. It's centered. And you probably wonder what I have on. If you click right here in settings, you can click align and snap. And I'm going to download that. Alright, so y'all saw that. And then around this is my logo. So what you do now, give me 1 second, sorry. You go, this is the website I use. It is called gifmaker.com. So I am about to just do a new one because I did my relaunch one loading. So anyway, you literally just upload it. When you upload it, you can arrange it how you want. You can change the speed of it right here. But for me, this is fine. You see it? So I really don't have anything to change because I literally did it as I was doing it. So anyway, then you hit create GIF. Once you hit that, you slide on down. Then you hit download GIF. So we're gonna let you view it. But this is my GIF. So I'm about to go into my browser. We're about to go to this website right here. I'm in the process of creating a branding account. So I'm trying to make sure I stay consistent with that. So of course you put your website. Mine says www.amorallure.com. And of course you use your tag. And now you have your GIFs uploaded, and these are some of the GIFs I have made. Okay. I made this for my podcast, Bedroom Talk Show. I made this one relaunching soon. I made Shop Now. I thought someone said something. I thought someone with no brain said something. Damn. Shop Now. If you look at it, you see I'm getting better from when I first started. Like, this was my first one, Shop Now. And that's it. And if you want to learn how to make, I'm going to come back next week and show you guys how to make this GIF right here with yourself. And we're going to have fun doing that, okay? So we're going to come back and we're going to learn how to do that. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day.